Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Binance price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the weekly chart here, we are looking at all the scenarios possible for the next days or weeks even, or even more than this. We have some vision, of course, for Binance. We're looking for some bullish scenarios, but it looks like that we are a little bit under a selling pressure that is coming, of course, in several scenarios that we can see as well. So starting from here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We have a finished a wave A or a wave 1 in the blue count with an impulse, and then ABC for a wave B or for a wave 2 here. After both case scenario, you would like to see, of course, higher prices impulsively, and this is exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now with this scenario, of course, we have finished probably A, B, and a C in the yellow count, and in the blue count, we have finished 1, 2, 3, and we are looking for a wave 4 for the blue count, and then a wave 5 towards the upside. Your wave 4, of course, it should be minimum target 0.23 taken on the fib level, taken, of course, from your wave 2 here in blue, exactly. So this bottom, as you can see, and the top from your wave 3, giving us a target at 231 actually, which is the minimum target for a wave 4 actually here. So yeah, we might see a zigzag toward the downside, impulse correction and zigzag impulse, to finish the zigzag as an impulse, and start then, of course, to moving for higher prices impulsively again for a wave 5, probably reaching, of course, over 1000 for a Binance. In the second scenario, where you might, of course, be a little bit more deeper, which is less possibility, of course, is your ABC scenario zigzag, or regular flat, I would say. Regular flat, and with a very short wave C. So we are looking probably here after three waves up here, sorry, three waves up, ABC, of course, for the yellow scenario, ABC, you have created a magenta scenario, meaning you have finished three waves up for a wave A, and probably you will seek after three waves down for a wave B, and of course 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave C again in a regular flat. Probably this scenario wouldn't go so high because it is a bearish scenario. Of course, it's gonna dive a little bit deeper, even probably for the 0.38 fib level, and this one taken from the start of the A, because you are an A, B, and a C, and therefore, of course, it brings us very, very bearish. So yeah, of course, very, very far scenarios. This is the ultimate bearish scenario for BNB. But yeah, actually the most possible scenario right now is that zigzag, that it might happen because yeah, we have finished actually 1, 2, 3, and we're looking for a wave 4 and a 5. If we take a look on the daily chart a little bit closer, we can see on the daily that we are in the top. Probably we have finished here probably a ending diagonal for your wave 3, 4, and a 5. This wave 5 here has probably finished in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can label this as well if you want, guys. 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 toward the upside, where you have finished probably here ending diagonal, right, for what is this 0, here we go, an ending diagonal for this impulse, right. So in this case, you are looking at a finished wave C or a wave 3 here, and or a wave A. Yeah, so we have finished most of the scenarios exactly in this top. And then we start to seek here after a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it looks like a little bit expanding, but it can be a contracting diagonal, because sometimes your wave 5 in a contracting diagonal can a little bit extend outside. So it can still be, of course, a contracting diagonal, a wave 1, right? And then after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and ABC for a wave 2. And then we are moving a little bit impulsive here to finish at 1.618, which is the 493. This is your next target as a wave 3 probably, and then 4 and a 5 To finish, yeah, wave 5, a wave A here for this zigzag that we were talking about, of course, on the daily as well, on the weekly, that it is a bearish scenario where we want to hit our wave 4, right, for a big impulse toward the upside at 2.0.23. Yeah, so we have after A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished in the top, and then A, B, and a C, and moving for higher prices, of course. And that because, yeah, of continuation of an impulse. Actually, it cannot be bullish if we cannot get a wave 4. How we can get the wave 5 if we cannot have a wave 4. So, yeah, definitely a wave 4 is recommended, A, B, C. Now, yeah, the only thing is that we have to be careful with is the fib level. I see a very low prices here. It means like from 650 to 250 almost. That means almost 60% down or drop for BNB. That was it for BNB. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.